Long-term care can be trying and stressful. She's been in this building for greater than 20 years. I think people kind of categorize nurses as just hands-on caregivers. And Becky she's an educator to all of our staff. She is a motivator to all of our staff. And she's also an excellent hands-on caregiver. She's just an excellent nurse.
Lakeside would not be the same without Becky, that's for sure. Anything that you don't know, anything you can't remember, she's everyone's go-to gal. Her office is packed constantly with anybody and everybody. Dietary, housekeeping, maintenance, laundry, you name it, somebody's in there, and she knows every single resident's family pretty much. She knows it all. Just so thankful that we have an employee as dedicated as she is, for sure.
I don't think our nurses get enough appreciation, but if there's one that deserves it, it's her. Becky is a wonderful teacher. She not only teaches the CNA, she teaches the LPNs. She teaches all of us basically in any manner that anything that might go on in the building. If you have a question, you can go to her. Becky knows the answer.
My entire life, people have told me that nursing is a calling, and if your heart's not in it, it's not something for you, and her heart's in it. When the residents need something, they know that they can go past everybody else and go straight to her because she'll get it done and take care of it. And as a CNA, I know that if I need something done, she'll take care of it and it gets done.
Becky she's the person we go to when we have a difficult resident or a difficult, situation with the family that they need somebody to explain to them, or there's all different kind of customers for us in this situation, and she's the type of person that seems to have the answers that calm whatever the situation is, whether it's an upset employee or a resident. She's just got a way about her that she's the one that we all run and get to help with the situation because she's always able to calm it down. I've never met anybody like her. I really haven't. And that's in long-term care, acute care, labor and delivery. I've worked several different areas, and she's very special.